Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb measure up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb measure up is to be as good or as successful as someone or something. The Board of Directors discussed last year's annual profits against this year's. Last year, we smashed company records, but this year it just didn't measure up. I don't want things to continue like this. The job is not what she thought it was. Since I started last month, the role doesn't measure up to what I thought it was going to be. Meaning two of measure up is to look at somebody carefully in order to assess them. The candidate arrives at the interview and meets the interviewers. Interviews are used for employers to measure up potential new recruits and see if they're a good fit for the company. The candidate is successful in the interview, but one of the interviewers isn't completely convinced. I can see why he was successful, but I don't think we'll be able to measure him up until things get tough. So let's look back on what we covered. Measure up can mean to be as good or as successful as someone or something. Will the team measure up when they enter the higher league? To look at somebody carefully in order to assess them. The first time they met, she measured him up to see if he was compatible. Where did you hear the phrasal verb measure up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.